Namaskar. In today's episode, we have Dr. Supreet, who will be discussing with us in brief the treatment and management of a patient with jaundice.
Namaskar. The management of jaundice depends on the etiology of jaundice. As we discussed in our previous episode, if the jaundice is pre-hepatic in nature, यानी वो jaundice जिसमें liver का involvement नहीं होता, उसमें हर संभव प्रयास करने की ज़रूरत है कि cause of hemolysis पता चल पाए, यानी कि RBCs के excessive destruction किस वजह से हो रहा है, उसका reason पता चल पाए, and the treatment is directed accordingly. If it is a hepatic jaundice, जिसको कि हम medical jaundice भी कहते हैं, and if it is because of viral hepatitis, then antiviral measures along with other supportive medical measures should be adopted as it is going to be prescribed by your gastroenterologist. If it is because of alcohol or non-alcoholic fatty liver disease या फिर किसी ड्रग के कंजम्पशन की वजह से होता है, then that needs to be managed medically. Now we come to the surgical obstructive jaundice. If the obstruction to the flow of bile is because of any stone या parasite, then आपके medical gastroenterologist endoscopy के जरिए इसका ट्रीटमेंट आपका कर सकते हैं. If it is because of a growth or a mass या फिर अगर पित्त की नली में कहीं पे सिकुड़न होती है तो उसका मैनेजमेंट सर्जिकल है. If it is because of cancer of the gallbladder or gallstones, then इसका इलाज भी सर्जरी के द्वारा संभव है.
Thank you, Dr. Supreet. So, in the upcoming video, we will be sharing with you some misconceptions and some myths which are commonly associated in the treatment of a patient with jaundice. If you have any comments, any suggestions, or any questions for us, please feel free to drop a comment or message us. Thank you.
Thank you.